Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
It's always a good start.
Hey guys. Wait, I can't. Hey guys.
You're killing it.
Hey guys. Today I have a super special guest, the Vero Beach Mermaid.
What's up, you guys?
Today we are hanging out.
It's actually tonight. It's like 9:30 at night.
Brandy is a real live mermaid, and today I'm going to give her a mermaid makeover. Believe it or not, this is actually our first time hanging out, and we're already besties.
I think that's a big statement.
It's a one-way feeling.
So today I'm going to let Charity do my makeup.
And I am not nervous. I'm super confident. I can totally pull this off and not completely wreck her face. So I'm just gonna start, and I'm gonna let my heart lead me and hope that this turns out great. Sick.
Sick.
Do your thing.
What is it? What do I do?
The beauty thing.
Oh. I feel like I'm your pet.
That's what I've done. Look at this.
I'm gonna need the blooper reel on this.
Special.
It's like, you should stop, but you keep going. Special. Hey guys, Charity here.
No alcohol was involved in the making of this video. This is just all natural.
Oh, you're gonna show my huge ears. So stay tuned to the end. Don't skip.
To the end.
Because we need the ad revenue. That's just like. A ghost.
Yeah, it's like a completely different shape from your body.
Yeah.
We'll make it work. Don't panic. Don't panic. It's gonna look great.
With
I have the brain of a goldfish.
I look like I don't have half a face. Wow. I'm like a little kid getting their hair cut. It's so difficult for me.
Are you guys almost done?
No. It's just a weird sensation when someone fingers your eye. I don't know, it's getting pretty explicit over here.
No.
Brandy's in a very fragile state.
Wait, we're already having trust issues over here.
It's in Florida.
Oh god, I gotta get these eyeliners even. Pray for me.
Prayer is in progress. I've never had gills before. But this feels promising.
Hey, you could just stop breathing and moving. It would look fine, but the problem is...
Well, my core body temperature is down to like spring's temperature right now, okay? Oh, wow. Pimp my gills. I cannot with you right now.
Stop moving your neck. neck. Look what you're doing. Ugh. You're the worst.
I think you're the worst.
Remember this video we started out as friends and now we're like enemies. We hate each other. Stop.
I cannot.
You're ruining it. I hate you. It's over. This is a lost cause. Should we just pull it off?
Yeah. Yeah, we should.
It was a cool idea.
Oh, it was such a cool idea.
No, she gave up on the idea.
When it looked like shit. Well, that was super fun.
That was fun. What a waste of time.
She's gonna have a meltdown.
Wait, where are you
Oh,
going?
I'll see you later. Thanks for the makeup.
Oh my gosh.
But I think we should maybe do
I
that.
hate you. You're so mean.
I think we should maybe do that like Saturday night.
She is mean, isn't she?
Cute. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. It looks pretty.
I feel like a animatronic.
Better to have more than enough. There's so much I can't put in this video. This is all me. She had no natural beauty. I took this.
And you call me mean.
I don't know what I was thinking this would be like.
Hey,